How to freeze and unfreeze Amazon Prime rewards card. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can freeze and unfreeze Amazon Prime rewards card. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you're on your desktop, you have to open up a browser, then head over to chase.com. Then navigate to the sign in page, enter your username, password, then click on sign in button. Once you're signed in, then head over to your Amazon card account. Once you're under your card account, then you have to click on the menu that is three dot icon under your account services. Once you click on it, there you will find an option to lock and unlock your card. Click on that, then you will get a toggle. If you want to freeze, turn on the toggle. If not, to unfreeze again, you have to turn off the toggle. So that's the way to freeze and unfreeze your Amazon Prime rewards card through the chase.com on your desktop. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.